Hello guys, welcome to today's class. My name is Eva. Today we'll be learning how to make a basic sleeve pattern. This tutorial is very beginner friendly, so you should be able to create your own basic sleeve by the end of this video. The first thing to do is to draw a horizontal line. This will serve as our sleeve head. I just came down by 1 inch, then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. That will be our sleeve head. So the next thing is to find the middle of our pattern paper and draw a straight line from the sleeve head down to the bottom of our pattern. After that is now to get our biceps line, our elbow line, and our wrist line. The basic measurement of our bicep line, that is from our shoulder to where our bicep sits, is 4 inches. If the person is bigger, you can come down by 5 or 6 inches. Then from our sleeve head to 13 inches is my elbow line, and then 22 inches is my sleeve line. I'll go ahead to draw out these lines. So here I'm trying to label our lines. That's our bicep, our elbow, and our wrist line. The next thing to do is to place our measurements, starting with the bicep. And the bicep I'm working with is 13 inches. Divided by 2, we have 6.5. So we place 6.5 inches on both sides of the line. My elbow is 11. 11 divided by 2, we have 5.5. So we place 5.5 on both sides. We also do the same for the wrist. Then we have to connect the lines. The next thing to do is to get our sleeve curves, and to do that we'll connect a line from our sleeve head down to the biceps line in a triangular form. Then we find the midpoint of the line. After getting the midpoint of that line, we'll also find the midpoint of the two halves. Please just watch what I'm doing. We find the midpoint of that and also find the midpoint of the other half. We'll do this exact thing on the other side of the line. Now decide which part of the pattern is your front and back. This is important because the front and back sleeve curves are not the same. The front is always deeper than the back. After you have decided that, from the first point in the front line, come out by 0.7, and from the second line, come out by 0.3, and then on the last line, go in by 0.7, and then on the back pattern, come out by 0.6, on the second line, come out by 0.3, and on the last, go in by 0.5, and then connect your curves. Please make sure you have a better curve than me, but you get the idea. The first point on the front, we came out by 0.7, the second one 0.3, and then we went in by 0.7. Then on the back, the first line 0.6, the second 0.3, and the last we came in by 0.5. So the next thing is to add our sewing allowances. By the side and the bottom I added 1 inch, and on the top I added just half an inch. And this is all for this sleeve. So we'll go ahead and cut our sleeve. So here is our pattern, and as you can see, the front curve is deeper than that of the back curve. If you want to cut on your fabric, fold it like so and cut on fold. With this basic sleeve, you can manipulate any type of sleeve you want to make. This is all for this basic sleeve. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in my next one.